How to enable AirPlay on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Access the Settings menu. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote to open the main menu. Navigate to Settings and select it. Step number 2. Go to General Settings. In the Settings menu, select General. Step number 3. Open Apple AirPlay Settings. Scroll down and select Apple AirPlay Settings. This will open the AirPlay Settings menu. Step number 4. Turn on AirPlay. In the AirPlay settings, select AirPlay and toggle into on. Step number 5. Adjust additional AirPlay settings. This is optional. Require code. Set this to first time only if you want to enter a code only the first time you connect, or choose every time if you want to enter a code each time for added security. Subtitle and captioning. Customize subtitle appearance if needed. Step number 6. Connect an Apple device using AirPlay. On your Apple device, iPhone, iPad, or Mac, open Control Center and select Screen Mirroring. Choose your Samsung TV from the list of available AirPlay devices. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code shown on your Samsung TV to connect.